Okay, so the ingredients are
glue,
a bowl,
1 teaspoon of baking soda,
and 1 tablespoon of contact solution.
and also 1 thing that you can mix with, I guess.
Okay, so we're gonna start with putting the glitter glue inside. How about half?
All of it.
No, like half and half. Okay, start. Oh wow. Ta-da!
Oh. Ew.
Here you go. Please try this at home.
If you want. Done.
Keep going. Okay, wait. You get the baking soda ready and I'll do the rest.
Baking soda. Baking soda. Ready.
Okay, so and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda coming through. And then 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Here we go. And oh wow.
It's like not healthy water.
Ta-da! And then how about the next one?
And then we mix. And then we're all done.
Oh wow.
Mix
This is
a lot though.
yay. You're gonna be the tester too.
Yay.
Look what is happening. Okay. Switch.
Switch time.
Hey!
Guys, don't put any more in.
Oh my gosh. What is happening? Napkin.
Oh, this is so hard.
Ugh. Got it. What? Keep going.
I'd rather use a spoon.
You can use a spoon.
Switch.
Switchies.
Oh. This is, I guess, a little easier. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
What is happening now?
Same thing.
Can I try?
Wash it.
No, wait. Why don't you just use napkin?
Oh, yeah. Right.
I already used one. Just use this. It's getting kind of like slime. Taste. Just once.
Ew. Gross. Not ready yet. Keep on mixing.
Okay.
This is our first one that we made.
The glow in the dark slime.
Oh God.
How about we show you this while I'm mixing? Go to the bathroom.
Here we go.
Let's go to the bathroom. Ah.
Come on in, Mom. It turned a little greenish when I saw it. Weird.
Really?
Yes. How's it going?
Basically, keep mixing and testing
And
until
you think it's good?
yeah. Your turn.
Yeah. Oh, the smell.
This is basically what happens if you make it right.
Still gooey. Key.
I don't know. Maybe it'll bounce. Oh, it does.
This might take a long time. Oh, yeah.
Okay. It's getting close.
Yeah. So hard.
Hey, so guys, this might take long, so just mix, mix, and mix.
Until you
Like
think
and
it's ready.
subscribe.
Bye.